Hey guys, this is OG from Crypto Nights, back with another cryptocurrency video. If you like the content I'm pushing up, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, leave a comment in below if you want me to look at certain altcoins, and I will pick from a few in the comments in the video that I'll make tomorrow. And then lastly, join our Discord channel. There's a lot of good technical analysts who are sharing their trades and their analysis. We also have live wallets tracking, as well as the latest news and other resources as well. Link in the description below. That said, let's dive right into the charts. So just a quick recap on Bitcoin. Sounds like a broken record here, but we've been in this symmetrical triangle for a while. We broke down. Then we had an inverse head and shoulders. We broke back up. We consolidated a little bit within this triangle, and then recently we broke down again. So that is where we are now. One of the things I'm looking at now is zooming out into the 4 hour, is that maybe instead of having a symmetrical triangle, what we have is a descending triangle. So now we move this line and we have something like this, right? Either way, on the upside, this resistance trend line remains the same, whether we're looking at a symmetrical triangle or a descending one. These are the resistance levels that we want to look at, right? We've had lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And so what we really need, right, as an initial first step for the bulls is to break above this resistance trend line, and then at least break above 38.5K and form a new swing high, at least, right? So break this pattern of lower highs. So if we can do something like this, where we break, if we go back above, right, and then we can do something like this, and then we can start a new trend of higher highs and higher lows, right? And this will mark a true trend reversal. Now, let's zoom back in. On the hourly, we seem to be potentially forming a W bottom, very potentially, though it's not in form yet in the very least. So I'll be looking out for that. But if we were to form this W bottom, the neckline would be around 36.2K. So this is where I have a low set in case we do have this pattern play out. Moving on to Ethereum. So actually here, the double bottom pattern, it looks more, let's see, looks more promising. It looks clear. It looks a lot cleaner than on the Bitcoin chart, and so I will be looking for. And actually, let me do this. Be looking for a potential long if we break the neckline at 24.50, roughly, right? I'll be looking for a strong candle close above with strong volume, and ideally we can break above some of these 200 MAs as well, so that we can be we can flip bullish and use the 200 MAs as support instead of resistance. And let's see if we see anything on the 4 hour. No. So on the hourly is where I'm looking for a potential trade on ETH versus the dollar. Now on the ETH Bitcoin charts, we have yesterday we had a actually a long on the 4 hour. So we moved back into this 61.8 on the golden pocket, and we had a bullish engulfing pattern. So the entry would have been right here on this green line, and so this would have been a nice quick scalp trade of around 5%. Stop loss would have been below here, around 2.5%. So this would have given a 2-to-1 risk reward. But now we see that we ran into the 200 EMA, and we're getting a rejection at the moment. We're not seeing a lot of volume, so I didn't jump into this short because the volume wasn't very strong, but it's still moving down for now. So I'll be keeping an eye on this pair. On the hourly, I would say that if we start to go up, then one resistance level that I would look at is the 0.0695, right? This region, this 200 EMA. This is where potentially we will run into some resistance if assuming we're to go up. Of course, we could roll over like this and go down. So this is everything this is a very quick update. No pending trades for the moment, except for this ETH dollar pair that we'll be looking out for the 2450 level to break. Other than that, I'll be creating another video on altcoins. So please again, like, subscribe, and share this video. It means a lot. This video and this YouTube channel, it's something I'm just starting out, and so really need you guys help in terms of pushing this content out and to grow this channel. Oh well, and it looks like Bitcoin is starting to rally a little bit as we're ending this video, but let's see if we can break above 36k, 36.2k, then I'll potentially give a trailer. All right, thank you guys.